Swing.
Shamalaba dig langala. Thank you for joining this Middle Eastern edition of the Chew. Well, tonight you'll have shish kebab on the agenda. All brought to you by our sponsor, Qatarian Airlines. They'll take you everywhere you don't want to go without warning. So, the shish kebab consists of all these delicacies over here. We have rice made with saffron. We have chicken. We have lamb. Everything you'll want in a beautiful mangle grilling, as it's known in the United States. Let's get to it. The Chew Arabian Nights. Kebab shish kebab, Benga style. Grilling the bobs. Love it, love it. I want some more of it.
Holy shit, kebab!
My day. Got too close to the fire, I think. Love it. I love to cook lamb and chicken on the grill. Mangle cooking. Yogurt and lemon juice and lots of spices, cumin. Stir in fresh mint that you will use on the lamb. Nice. I'll take the precious saffron. Just a pinch, a small pinch of the main bud. That's all you need to make the rice have a nice saffrony flavor. Precious saffron. We begin with a cocktail. It's so refreshing after a day of camel riding on the desert. Take pomegranate, which is a common fruity seedy thing that used in Middle Eastern cooking. And you take an orange and you squeeze that in to the drink. That's the pomegranate. And my favorite part of the drink is the addition of Arabian vodka. We will swish that around, and every good Arab always has a little mint under his beard. When your butt hurts from camel riding in the heat and lumpy camel, you shake this drink up. On an Arabian night or any night, full airplane, we can track for President Trump. These nice gifts we give, we take, it's all good, we negotiate. Now, we take this beautiful Arabian Nights cocktail and we put it in a sugar-rimmed glass with an orange peel. This is something so good after camel riding. That's dandy. I love it very much. Now, let's move on to the next event in this Middle Eastern fair. You're now inside my bedroom. You might see in my harem many women in burqas who are lurkers with mysterious eyes. Check those mysterious eyes out. Her eyes have it. That's what I must say. When I first saw her in those mysterious eyes, I wanted to have them for my very own. Now, I will share this special pomegranate cocktail with my harem. Here, take a little cup. And I do mean little. Cheers, baby. That's a sweet drink with some mysterious eyes. Quiet you. You like? Nurse that. Cheers to you. On the chew. You like it too, don't you? Yes. Thank you for being on the chew. It's been a very enlightening experience. See you next time as we take over the world's recipes and make them great again.